This Fast and Furious scene is legendary, but it's not the same watching it with TV audio, as it is watching it with the audio of a soundbar. The soundbar is the new OXS S3, an affordable soundbar that considerably improves your experience. Its price is about $80. I'll leave the link in the description. This is the box you receive it in, and from the moment you unpack it, it feels like something of good quality. Inside the box, you'll find the manuals, remote control, optical fiber cable. In this accessory box, you'll find the power cable, screws in case you want to mount the soundbar on the wall, more audio cables, and batteries for the remote control. With this, you're ready to use your soundbar. The OXS has a metal mesh across almost the entire bar. Only the base part has a plastic finish and 2 rubber pads that work as anti-slip. Overall, it's a good quality finish. It has 4 full-range speakers, 2 on each side. You can actually see the speakers very clearly here. It's an 80-watt bar that reaches 96 decibels. It doesn't include a subwoofer, but it has 2 side air vents that help intensify the bass, and honestly, it does have good bass power. It's not the kind of bass that makes your windows shake, but it's definitely noticeable. On the back, you'll find the connections. You have coaxial, optical port, USB for your flea market memory stick with songs, auxiliary, and the power input. Additionally, it comes with Bluetooth 5 for wireless connection. In the center of the buttons, there are buttons to raise and lower the volume, the power on divided by off button. The equalizer button has 3 modes and shows them with colors. Personally, I like the purple equalizer the most. It's the one with more bass. The last button is to choose the audio source. It also changes color, and luckily, here on the right, there's a label that tells you what each color means. Besides controlling with the buttons, you can also use the remote control, which works very well. These are the dimensions of the bar. It weighs only 2.6 kilos. Even though it's not very heavy, it feels really solid. And lastly, worth mentioning that you can use the bar like this, or mounted on the wall with the screws included in the box. For being an affordable bar, it has a lot of build quality and also audio quality. It's not a bar for all the neighbors to hear you. It's a bar with a moderately high volume, not exaggerated but very solid and balanced. It's designed to improve your TV audio for those moments when you watch movies or your favorite series, enhancing not only the quality but also the clarity of the dialogues. For example, when you're watching a movie where you can't hear what they're saying very well, this bar can bring out the dialogues really nicely, giving you a better experience.
Además necesito gente de confianza. Todos te identifican de acuerdo a la gente con la que te rodeas. Tengo dinero. Además necesito gente de confianza. Todos te identifican de acuerdo a la gente con la que te rodeas.
Definitely the experience changes a lot, plus it enhances the surround sound effect. In some Fast and Furious scenes, I felt like some cars were passing right next to me. It was a really cool sensation. I even connected it to a projector and the difference was brutal. Basically, I set up a home theater.
Boo! 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 Sue!
Although it's more designed for movies, no doubt you can also use it to listen to music and enjoy excellent quality. And And even though it's not a portable speaker, since it's not very heavy, you can easily take it to another room and use it over Bluetooth with your phone to listen to music, which gives it many possibilities. I will mainly use it for video games, and here the experience is very good thanks to its X-Space system that uses wall bounce to simulate surround sound. When you are playing video games, you will perfectly detect where each sound is coming from, whether from enemies or ambient noises. I enjoyed a couple of games, and one of the ones I liked the most was Mario Galaxy. It felt like the whole room was filled with little sounds, making the experience much better. In fighting games, every time there was a solid hit, the bass made it feel more exciting. Definitely a 10 out of 10 experience. My personal conclusion is that the S3 is a very versatile soundbar that will improve your TV audio quality and your experience at a low cost. It allows you to use it wirelessly with your devices if you just want to listen to music, and it also has a minimalist and simple design that will surely fit anywhere. What you can't do with your S3 is compete with your neighbor's speakers, because it is not a speaker, it is a home theater soundbar focused more on quality than volume. Only you know your needs, tastes, and budget. Tell me what you think. I'll leave it here. Over and out.